Welcome to Bountiful Homestead, where we explore all things related to natural health care, homesteading, gardening, and preserving food. Today, we're diving into the world of pressure canning, a method that allows for the safe preservation of low-acid foods like vegetables, meat, poultry, and seafood. Let's start with the essential equipment needed for pressure canning. You'll need a pressure canner, jars, lids, and jar lifters. It's crucial to use equipment that is in good condition to ensure the safety and quality of your canned goods. When it comes to safety tips, always check the pressure canner's vent, use a tested recipe, and avoid overfilling jars. Following the manufacturer's instructions for your specific pressure canner is key to a successful canning experience. Now let's walk through the canning process. Start by preparing your food in jars, making sure everything is clean and sterilized. Fill the jars with food, leaving the right amount of headspace, and remove any air bubbles before sealing. During processing, lock the canner lid, adjust the heat to build pressure, and monitor and adjust the pressure according to the recipe. Allow the canner to cool down naturally, ensuring the jars seal properly as they cool. After the jars have cooled, check the seals, label and date the jars, and store them properly to maintain the longevity and safety of your canned goods. For more information and resources on safe canning practices, visit the National Center for Home Food Preservation website or other reputable sources. If you're new to pressure canning, start with simple recipes and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. Share your canning experiences in the comments below and let me know what you'd like to learn next. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on homesteading and food preservation. Also, check out our full article on Pressure Canning 101, link is in the description. Happy canning!